Millions of Shiite Muslims from around the world are making their way to their sect's holy shrines in the Iraqi city of Karbala in an annual holy festival known as Arbaeen. The shrines commemorate Shiite infallibles, Imam Hussein, the grandson of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and his half-brother Abbas, and the event, which draws 10 million to 20 million pilgrims each year, will reach its peak on Arbaeen. Shiite Muslim pilgrims march with flags en route to the holy city of Karbala from Iraq's southern province, ahead of Arbaeen. The pilgrimage marks the 40th day of mourning of the anniversary of Hussein's 7th century martyrdom, at the hands of the Muslim Umayyad forces in the Battle of Karbala, during the tumultuous 1st century of Islam's history. Hussein was seen by his followers as the rightful heir of the Prophet's legacy. When he refused to pledge allegiance to the Umayyad Caliphate, he and his followers were killed in the battle.